Good morning and welcome to another ACY Securities Market Recap. My name is Alistair Schultz and I'll be your host through today's trading journey. Now, to start off with today's session, I'm going to start off speaking about a trade that I posted in Finlogix last night, which has eventuated in actually triggering a trade. So the position in question here is on the pound dollar. We were looking at it and I was considering this to be a double top, with this being our neckline. Now, the rules of taking a trade like this is you have to wait for price to close below your neckline, set your stop loss behind the last swing high, and then allow for your profit target to be 100% of the difference between your entry price and your stop loss. So if you had a 10 pip stop loss, then you would have theoretically a 10 pip take profit. Now, in this instance here, we can see how it's actually played out throughout the week. I'm just going to let the video play for a moment, and you can see here that where I put my stop and where I put my target for take profit, it's a little bit over a 1-to-1 win-loss ratio that I've got planned for this already. But it triggered last night, and so far, if you had have gotten in on it, you would have been able to be somewhat up in profit, but we're going to see what happens over the day. Now, the reason I'm going to be keeping an eye on this one particularly closely is because in America, it is currently President's Day, so it is effectively a US bank holiday. So news for the day is likely going to be relatively volatile for the rest of the day, considering there's going to be less volume of trades occurring. Now, to keep that in mind, at 11:30 a.m. we have Australian dollar monetary policy statement coming out and the meeting minutes from that. At 8:30 tonight, we have pound average earnings and two other news events to keep an eye on, but they are both considered low impact. And at 9 p.m, the other high impact event that we have is the German ZEW economic sentiment report. Now, this economic report is a survey of investors and analysts in Germany, and it asks them to rate their economic sentiment over the next 6 months. So keep an eye on that one. It is usually important for the Eurozone news, and hopefully you have a good trading day ahead. If there was anything today you would like to get in contact with me on, especially if it's content related to the video, feel free to send me an email at talk2al@acy.com. And of course, like and subscribe the video so you can get more great content from us in the future. Hopefully we'll see you later today with another market update.